Now, in this video, I will explain some set programs in Python, concepts of sets, and sets is one type of collection here. So, first you practice on your own. If you did not get the logic, just go through these 10 exercises. So, after practicing these 10 exercises, some more exercise given. Okay, these 8 exercises, just solutions given to these 8 exercises, but practice on your own these 8 exercises. Okay, so it's easy. If you practice these 10 exercises, you will get that remaining 8 exercises easily, right? And first, we will see sets here. So if you practice earlier list program, so there is complete opposite of set list here. Okay, sets are complete opposite of list here because only similarity between the list and sets is sets are mutable here. Okay, that too only adding and removing the elements in the sets. We can't update here. Okay, so sets are unordered. Okay, not indexed, mutable, no duplicates allowed in, no slicing in sets here. Okay, it is commonly used in membership in testing, removing duplicates from a sequence and completing mathematical operations such as intersection, union, difference, and symmetric difference. Okay, these things mostly sets are used for removing duplicates. Okay, duplicates are not allowed, and sets are mutable here and unordered and not indexed. Okay, that's the theory. Small way, and we'll practice one by one how to write a program to create a set. Okay, so two ways we can create a set here. One way is one way is create just curly braces. Just suppose s is equal to this curly braces. Okay, sets are denoted by the curly braces. Remember, okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, print s here. We want to know the type of this s, just use type function. Print type of s. Okay, and next thing, another way is to constructor. Okay, to constructor also we can create sets here. Okay, so s1 is equal to set constructor is there. Set constructor. So this is the syntax. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Through this also we can create to construct set constructor also we can create sets here. Okay, print s1. Okay, execute it. Comes out the output here. See 1, 2, 3. See curly braces and sets here. Okay. So input also you can give it. If you want to go through input here, so if we want to create set from the key input keyword, okay, just s3 is equal to eval function, convert the string into desired format, int, not in input, enter, set here, okay, enter, set, okay, print s3. Just check the output here, execute it, and enter set here with curly braces, okay, 1, 2, 3. So if you write eval function, you write it curly braces in an input, so it convert successfully convert to the set here. Otherwise, Python default takes string as an input. Okay, so you have to convert it. If you want to set, you have to convert it to eval function. Okay, so that's way. So you can create three ways. You can create like this within curly braces, or you can use with set constructor, or you can write with using eval function. If you want to create set from the keyboard. Okay.